right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch